Hey everybody, this is dose 34, and I'm in a hurry. I got to get to work, but I'm gonna take the dose in the morning when I get home, sleep, get up, weigh myself, see what I weigh, and but like I said, I know I'm losing size, so I'm not worried about it. So anyway, this is dose 34, and yeah, I know when I do my little thing there, my hands are dirty, and it's because sometimes at work we deal with a lot of we stripe drums when we put glue in them to identify what the glue is, and a lot of times I have to fill up the tanks, and it's a dye, so it gets all over your hands, and then you takes like a few days to get it off, no matter what. So anyway, so let me take my HCG here, and then I will be back tonight or tomorrow, I should say. All right, see you later.